We hire people whose head and heart are both in the game. We want people who are personally and passionately aligned, but also who have, the intellectual horsepower to help us move forward. And so really kind of understanding, why did you make decisions in your career journey that led you to a place where Smartsheet is a great next? Hi, my name is Megan Hansen. I'm the Vice President of People here at Smartsheet, and I have the privilege of overseeing our people team, inclusive of talent acquisition, all the way through to our alumni programs. I think the thing that surprised me the most was how authentic everybody is, and really the component of our culture that is about winning with each other versus that combative, if I win, it means someone else is losing. I really love how people come together to try and solve problems and look at solutioning as an opportunity for everybody to participate. So if you're thinking about applying, but you've read the job description and aren't 100% sure that you meet all the criteria, I would strongly encourage you to consider applying anyways, and allowing us to engage in a conversation with you to unpack what sort of transferable experiences have you had and how do we see that translating in, and giving us an opportunity to unpack that together versus maybe taking yourself out of the race even before it's begun. Now you've applied, what's next? Really, there's one of two paths. Either the recruiting team will see that there is an opportunity to include you in one of the recs that we are hiring for right now, or there's an opportunity for conversation around potential future opportunities. And that may be something that a recruiter would reach out to discuss immediately, or maybe something that would happen down the road when a new opportunity comes up. Our recruiters meet with our hiring managers whenever a new opportunity comes up and really collaborate together to think about what is going to be the ideal profile for this role, thinking about the larger team that we have, what sort of culture adds do we want, how do we ensure that we are really diversifying the group. And so there may be different opportunities, even within the same kind of job functions, as time emerges, as those teams get together and really think about what the organization is looking for. Spending some time in the product, learning about the product, is something I would definitely encourage you to consider doing. If it's not a product that you've used before, you can sign up for a free trial. And that is a really great way to show us that you are interested in who Smartsheet is and you've done your homework. And you've also taken the opportunity to think about our product and how it could apply into the particular role that you're applying for, how you see, the connection with the customer or those various opportunities. And I would also consider taking a look at our values and thinking about how they match with who you are as a human being and how you would bring those to life, and creating some storylines that you could potentially share with the recruiter or hiring manager when you get a chance to talk to them, ensuring that this is a place that would feel like a great opportunity. Smartsheet cares deeply about having a diverse applicant pool for all of our roles, because we are a product that I truly believe can be applicable in any company, in any industry, in any country. And we therefore want to ensure that our employee population is reflective of the larger globe. Some of the things that we are doing that are helping on the front end from a hiring standpoint, we have a lot of really great partnerships, Powered Apply being one of them, where we are investing in the top of funnel to ensure that we are bringing in a really diverse group of people into each one of our roles. And we have also partnered with organizations to help ensure that there's bias being mitigated at every step of the way. We use an organization called TapRecruit that helps ensure that our job descriptions are as unbiased as possible, and that we are positioning ourselves to be attractive to a larger group of individuals, really being mindful that the words matter. And so we are ensuring that we are taking that into account. We also use bias mitigation checklists throughout all major points of an employee's life cycle, starting with hiring, but we also use them in our promotion process to ensure that we are being mindful and thoughtful around who is having opportunities presented to them and ensuring that bias isn't creeping in anywhere. We are committed to a journey. We are committed to learning more, knowing more, and doing better. My version of Maya Angelou's, famous quote, "You do your best until you know better, and then you do that." I would say that is the overarching theme of our commitment. We are committed to being a place that feels inclusive, where people are invited to the party and then actually want to be there. I don't want to be a place where people are wasting energy putting up a mask or feeling like they have to perform or fit in. I want people to feel like, they can truly bring their perspective in. And that is very much how we are going to become an even better organization than we are today, and to develop an even better product. Thank you so much for watching and listening. And I am really hopeful that Smartsheet is something that sounds like it would be a good fit for your next career opportunity, and that we'll see your application come our way.